Wait, this just got real. The closer we move toward the Galaxy S26 series launch, the crazier the leaks are getting. Renders, marketing slides, insider whispers. It feels like we already know everything. But let's be honest, polished renders are one thing. Real-life photos, that is a completely different level. And now, something seriously interesting has surfaced. A fresh set of images circulating on X might have just revealed the Galaxy S26 Plus in the flesh. Not a concept, not a render. An actual device. According to posts from Kakuoli98, what appears to be a Galaxy S26 Plus unit is already out there, which is honestly shocking. Pre-orders have not even begun. Samsung has not officially announced the phone. We are still weeks away from launch. Yet somehow, this device is reportedly being sold on a platform. That alone raises eyebrows. One detail that immediately stands out is the engraved code on the back. That is something we often see on early or unreleased units. It adds a layer of authenticity, at least on the surface. So what do these images actually show? Truthfully, not a dramatic redesign. Compared to the Galaxy S25 Plus, the overall look feels familiar. The biggest visible change is the redesigned camera island. And even that is not a complete surprise because leaked renders had already hinted at it. But here is where things get even more interesting. During a closer discussion, Josh noticed something unusual. The wallpapers on this supposed Galaxy S26 Plus appear to be older ones. The same style seen on the Galaxy S25 lineup. That immediately sparked doubt. However, Daniel Scutari replied on X and suggested that early engineering samples often run older wallpapers. If this device is an early sample, that could easily explain it. So what is the truth? Right now, no one can say for certain. Until Galaxy Unpacked happens, nothing is officially confirmed. But considering the timing, the engraved markings, and how closely the device matches previous leaks, this could genuinely be our first real world look at the Galaxy S26 Plus. And if that is true, things are about to get very exciting. Wait, this is bigger than a launch teaser. Right before Galaxy Unpacked on February 25, Samsung is transforming the world's skyline into a living showcase. 17 major global landmarks are now glowing with massive three-dimensional screens, hinting at the creative power of the Galaxy S26 and its next-generation Galaxy artificial intelligence experience. This is not a short promo clip playing on a small display. Samsung is literally projecting the future onto skyscrapers. Beginning February 11, breathtaking three-dimensional visuals started appearing across cities like London, Los Angeles, Seoul, Tokyo, and Ho Chi Minh City. Entire buildings turned into immersive digital stages. And on that scale, it does not just look good, it looks unforgettable. The early footage says it all. Photos come to life effortlessly. Objects glide into place. Backgrounds reshape in seconds. Whole scenes evolve naturally. This is not about ticking off features on a list. This feels like Galaxy artificial intelligence stepping in as a creative partner, helping you imagine more and do more without friction. The billboards proudly flash Galaxy artificial intelligence, but loyal fans already sense that the real transformation is happening inside One UI 8.5. A smarter, more aware system is on the horizon. An experience designed to understand context, predict your next move, and carry out actions across apps smoothly and intelligently. This campaign is not just about dazzling three-dimensional effects. It is a statement. The Galaxy S26 is being positioned as the next bold step in Samsung's artificial intelligence journey, and it might just redefine how smartphones unlock creativity and productivity in everyday life.